Good morning, everyone. In part 1 of this video, we saw AF Systems solutions for sealing cable tray penetrations, single cables or cables inside combustible pipes. In this part 2, Marco and I will explore the certified solutions for sealing cable tray penetrations. Welcome back, everyone. I would like to start with one of the most well-known products in the electrical compartment, the fireproof bag. At AF Systems, we offer different sizes in order to adapt the bag to various cable tray sizes or different situations. With its mix of ablative and inert materials, we obtained a classification and fire resistance of up to EI 240. This product is just as flexible as the brick we saw earlier. Why? Because it can be positioned and removed during maintenance. Typically, the bag is placed above the cables inside the cable tray. However, what happens, Marco, if we have a slotted cable tray penetration? The fireproof bag is certified to be used alone inside the cable tray and fill the entire space, even if there is a slot. Alternatively, you can mix fireproof bags and panels. We have other solutions, such as the fireproof brick we saw earlier, and the two-component foam. These two products can be used inside and outside the cable tray. So far, we have considered small electrical cables, because they represent most situations that can occur on construction sites. What happens if we encounter larger power cable crossings? If you have penetrations with electrical cables with diameters ranging from 21 to 50 millimeters, we have certified solutions, but you need to be a bit cautious. The use of fireproof bricks or bags is fine. However, to comply with the certifications and tests, it is necessary to protect the cable tray with a thin glass wool mat. This allows us to cool the cable tray, which is made from metal, and could transmit heat from a compartment to another during a fire. This will prevent potential ignition. On construction sites, it often happens to find bus bar penetrations. I assume that using a fire mat is necessary in this case too. Exactly. Since there is no combustible material in direct contact with flames, an intumescent product, such as a brick, collars, or stripes, would not perform their intended function. Therefore, it is necessary to use the same product I mentioned earlier, the glass wool mat, so that it behaves as described during a fire. So, as we have seen, AF Systems provides a wide range of products that can cover many of the scenarios found on construction sites. Yes, consider that today we have looked at a vertical support, such as a wall. The regulations do not allow any type of extension between vertical and horizontal supports. At AF Systems, we have conducted further tests on horizontal supports, such as floors. The standard allows the results we have seen today to be extended to similar supports. So between different vertical supports, provided the support has a higher density and thickness than the one tested, this allows AF Systems to test solutions on standard supports, such as flexible plasterboard of reduced thickness, enabling us to extend our results to many more solutions. Regarding conventional supports, you mentioned plasterboard and masonry earlier. What other types of substrates are there? That's right. Today, AF Systems can provide different tests on the market on several substrates. These include conventional and unconventional supports. What can these supports be? We are talking about lining walls of different thicknesses, sandwich walls, X-lam walls, and floors. This enables us to offer a wider range of solutions across multiple markets. Thank you once again, Marco, for your explanation. To conclude, we have seen how each case has one or more certified solutions, each designed to meet the needs of the customer and installer. Thank you, 𝗍𝗿. As we have seen, each case has several solutions. This is to meet customer and installer needs. AF Systems, with its research and development, provides a wide range of solutions for single cables and armored bus bars, which exploit the chemical and physical properties of its products, including intumescence, ablative treatment, and thermal insulation. This is ultimately to protect rooms at risk of fire. We would like to thank our audience for watching this video and hope it will be helpful. If you have any further questions or comments, please write to us at the address you see below. Thank you again. Thank you.